guys, Dr. Dex here. Today we are going to install some Regal Ideas crystal rail on a spiral staircase with some coastal curved glass. It's time consuming and very finicky. It's probably one of the most difficult parts of this project, so it'll take us a few hours to get it installed. But if you like what you see today, you're learning a little something, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon every time you want to be notified we're putting out fresh content. All right, let's get going. Okay, my top has to come in. Actually, now I'm going to need you to
glass with the nose of the...
Well... The thing is, they're parallel out of level, which means that they both need to go this way, which is kind of good, because they look good.
Yeah.
But the other thing is, if we go closer, we do something like that, then it gets us closer to there. It gets us closer to gap. Okay, tighten your bottom.
Okay.
Allen head to the next one up. And you're about 2 minus, right?
Yeah.
Down here, you're about 2 plus.
Yeah.
Wow. Stop. Too tall. And we're 2 minus. And we're 1 and 7 inches, maybe. It depends on which side of the glass you measure. Is one of these. All right. We finally got these things adjusted and they're looking really good. We're short a couple parts to finish the clamping mechanisms that go to the glass and just a couple minor things. So we'll bring those tomorrow, but these glass panels are good. And now it's time to go finish up a couple things on the upper deck that we're gonna do for a couple spots that need to be blockaded as well so people can't fall off or crawl through or anything like that. So that's what we're up to next. Okay, what we're doing is we're taking these Regal Ideas fascia mounts and we're gonna mount these right to the side of the fascia on the house, and then we're gonna build a framework that's going to accept a matching panel that looks like that, the Hideaway Screens panel, and we have to custom cut that out and slip it in. We have to create a blockade right here because if we don't, somebody could just walk onto the roof and then fall off the roof onto the deck. So we have to be sure that everybody's safe. So from 38 inches, or excuse me, from 36 inches. The issue is the roofing sticks out a little too far. So when I go to put my post in, it's in the way. So we're just gonna grind away a little bit of the roof of the shingles, just enough so that that doesn't happen. Yeah, that'll work.
Wood I was cutting, that thing didn't roll off. It's still...
Right now I'm just trying to figure out this. This is not a made product, what I'm doing right now. There's no install instructions. I'm kind of making it up as I go. I often do this because I'm always creating custom items. This particular piece has to be here for me to get a final inspection. You cannot have access to your roof just by simply walking over and walking onto your roof. So I had to create a spot that would block this off 36 inches from the height of the deck to the top of the roof, which are about 38.5 right now. So this way homeowners or anybody cannot just simply walk over here and walk onto the roof. That's not legal, not to code. So I'm just trying to meet the code so I can get a final, which I'm gonna go for this week. I wanna get my final inspection this week, and then I can focus on the finish work of the deck. Ow. There we go. Oh, in between screws. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. And for those of you that would like to learn how to bend deck boards, don't forget to go check out Dr. Deck's Masterclass. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.